Hi guys, I thought I would show you this very pretty one first. So this has had one coat of varnish, and I thought I would just hang it up to show you guys what it looks like. Again, there's not enough light in my place, so there's a lot of glare at the moment. So it does actually look really pretty. Okay guys, on to the next one. Hi everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. I am working on a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and sadly I'm going to be using up the last of my white. Let's hope I have enough. I hope you're all doing well. So I must say, I have done 2 pours. If any of you have seen me on Facebook, I actually did 2 on 2 consecutive days, and both of them I was not happy with. So I won't be putting up those, and I'll just cover my canvas and I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, all covered. I'll quickly give this a torch. My flamethrower. I don't want to burn my paint because as I said, I still haven't received my other white, my other paint that I've ordered. Apparently it's sitting at the depot, and the courier guys are having a hard time keeping up. So let's do this. So this is Prussian Blue by B.A.D. Just use all of that up. It really makes you feel like when you run out of your colors, or even just your basic colors, it makes you think about wastage, although I try not to waste. And in here I have magenta, quinacridone magenta, which is Liquitex Basics. Put quite a bit of magenta in there. And this one here is, it's a teal, which is also B.A.D. I'm thinking too much paint, but maybe not, because what I want to do is probably not a waste. So I'm just adding a little bit of white on top, and that white, this white here, is actually my Bloom Recipe white. And give that a bit of a torch. And I absolutely love these colors together. Okay, let's give this a blow. Right, I absolutely love this. My only little concern is that I only have 4 petals and the good number is 5. Absolutely loving this. It really is beautiful. So how am I going to fix this and make it 5? I wonder. Looking at it from your angle, I could probably do with one over there. So let me use the hairdryer. Beautiful. Now I'm just going to blow back here and there just to get some definition. Everything wants to land on the paint. Much better. And I'm going to come around, I'm going to blow a little bit in there. This is absolutely stunning. And I'm hoping that something's going to come up in the center here. Alright, so I'm just going to give it a bit of a torch. I see some bubbles. I love this. I think it's beautiful. And then I'll bring you in for a close-up. Right guys, so this is it. I absolutely love this section. It is so pretty. And there as well, all these beautiful cells popping up. I find that the longer it sits for, the better it develops, or the more it develops. I think these colors are just amazing together. It almost looks like there's a shadow of the leaf or petal. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks to all you guys, new guys who have subscribed, and please don't forget to hit your notifications bell. Really appreciate that. And thanks to all of you for watching. If you're interested in any of my art to purchase, please email me on withbade@gmail.com. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.